I'm investigating. I'm investigating.
Yeah, boy. You know how we doing it up in this shit? That fucking glitter area shit, man. That's what we doing. We're doing. Yeah, Carmada. That's how we doing it, man. It's
That's
cool,
how I'm
man.
doing it.
That's how we all do it.
That's how all of us
check
do
it. That's what we do this shit. Yeah. Let's do this shit. Check it. I'm baked up, I'm switched up. These motherfuckers know I don't give a fuck because I'm drunk as fuck. I love this shit because I'm toe up. We leaned up, we turned up. I say rest in peace to all the soldiers cause we learned up and soak all the game. Fuck these lanes in this shit. We always freestyle out my brain because I don't give a shit about anything, man, of what you're trying to say because you know we penetrate that shit. Always handle the game.
My name is Chent Dog. I charge up my rise. 76 Monte Carlo ready to glide. I don't give a fuck. It's a suicide. When I blast on these lanes, they all wanna run and hide, laughing at your ass as I'm locking it up on 3-wheel motion as I don't give a fuck. I'm posting up as a motherfucking bitches trying to jump in my ride. You got a job? Hell no, it's a suicide.
Here I go, about to show you how I do it when I cruise. I hit the switch, hit the juice, cause I got that juice. Oh shit, I fucked up, but it's all good, cause I'm gonna jump right back on it like a dick. And you know that I'm coming quick, I flip sick. Motherfucker, you know my name, I'm going insane. And I'm going taking hits to the brain like a nominee Glock. 15 in the clip, 1 in the chamber. Danger about to put your fast card and leave you without a visa.
You always know we ball about that pizza, the Leon. It's going up my shit because I'm high as hell. Doing it for that shit because I'm from that Glendale. Might as well fucking handle the gift that I got to spit because I'm reminisce and hit that shit with my homies all day, bitch.
The homie says 15 in the Glock, I say 12 in the trunk. Batteries hot, locked up, ready to drop. All these rides on the motherfucking side. I don't really give a shit. My 3 wheels out of sight. Like hell yeah, as I'm the streets 3-wheeling, hopping down the street like a bunner edge. Damn.